Aikari kuma mwena wa Munyu thiini wa gicigo kia ubunge kia Mwala kaunti-ini ya Machakos ni magunikite na mubango wa thiku 3 wa kuhe njanjo kuri nyamu ta ndigiri, nyau na ngui iri ta njira ya kũgirĩrĩria mũrimũ wa kũgũrũka kwa ngui, mubango uria urongoreirie kuhe njanjo kuri makiria ma nyamu 8,000 kuma kaunti ino.
So we are here for the next 3 days and our target is to reach 8,000 dogs and cats. And so far we've already actually managed to reach half of that target. And yeah, we are very, very optimistic by the time we are done that we'll have covered the whole ward of Wamunyu.
Mubango uyu uria utongoretio ni ndagitari wa nyamu Julie Kelly augite uheani wa njanjo kuri nyamu ici mari na unyitaniri na ruhonge rwa ANAW ni njira imwe ya kugitira ciana iria ingirumwo ni ngui riria irathie thukuru na mundu wothe kumana na ugwati uria ungimukora angirumwo ni ngui.
And we are vaccinating cats, donkeys and dogs, and it is a fantastic experience. I am very happy with the turnout and the number of animals that we're able to treat. We are also able to give a dewormer and treating for fleas and ticks as well.
Ndagitari Dennis Bahati kuma ruhonge rwa ANAW augite mubango wa kuhe njanjo kuri nyamu ici uria waruguririo ni thirikari mwaka-ini wa 2014 wonanirie ati kaunti ino ya Machakos ni imwe ya kaunti iria ikoragwo ihatĩrĩirio ni mirimu ino ya nyamu ici, akiuga mubango wa thirikari wari gutigirira ni yanina mirimu ino ugikinyiria mwaka wa 2030 kaunti-ini ino.
The whole of Machakos County, and we are moving systematically. So we are moving sub-county by sub-county. So for the donkeys also, we are also vaccinating them against rabies because rabies is a condition that affects all warm-blooded animals. So donkeys can also catch this disease.
Munini wa cifu kuma gicigo kia ubunge gia Kabiti ni agathiririe mubango uyu akiuga uri na umithio munene kuri aikari ya mwena uyu na njira ya kumathara kuma ugwati-ini.
Sisi tumeshukuru sana kwa sababu hii huduma ni expensive sana wakati tunajaribu kusource daktari, lakini hii service ya leo iko mzuri sana kwa sababu ilikuwa free.
Ngiribotera Inoro TV jitagwo Wanjiru wa Marofo.